composition of a rational function example. So let f of x equal 3x plus 2 over 7x plus 7. Find f of x. So I'm composing f with itself. So we can say f composed f of x. Let me go ahead and go to the next page. Actually, I could tell you here that what we want to do is to replace the x in here and this x here with the entire f. So let me go ahead and go to the next page. So f of x, f composed f of x equals, we started the numerator with 3. Now instead of x, I'm going to have to put the entire f of x, which is going to be 3x plus 2 over 7x plus 7. Okay, and we had a plus 2 after x. And this is all over 7 times x, and we are replacing x with f, which is 3x plus 2 over 7x plus 7. And we had a plus 7 also after x in the denominator. Now, of course, we cannot leave it here. In this level of math 141, we are expected to simplify all the way. So the easiest way, at least in my mind, to do that is to multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by LCD, and least common denominator is 7x plus 7. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the top and bottom. This is my, so notice that I have a complex fraction. I have fraction on top of a fraction. I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 7x plus 7. And since we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator of our main complex fraction, then we are not really changing anything. So this equals. Now notice that here you have to carefully distribute this 7x plus 7. So this first part, let me use this first part times 7x plus 7. Notice that the 7x plus 7 in the denominator that is in here cancels out. So I am left with 3 times 3x plus 2. Now, when I multiply, distribute this 2, I get plus 2 times 7x plus 7. Okay. And how about the denominator? When I distribute this first part, notice that 7x plus 7 cancels out. So I'm left with 7 times 7x, 7 times 3x, sorry about that, 3x plus 2, 7x plus 7 canceled out. 7 times 3x plus 2, plus this times this is going to give me 7 times 7x plus 7. So once again, on the numerator, when I multiply this first part right here, the 7x plus 7 canceled out, and I'm left with 3 times 3x plus 2, plus 2 times 7x plus 7, all over. Now, in the denominator, this part cancels out, so I'm left with 7 times 3x plus 2, plus 7 times 7x plus 7. Let me go ahead and go to the next page, and if I simplify now, I'm going to have, I had a 3 times 3x is 9x, and I have a plus 6 plus 14x plus 14 in the numerator. And the denominator, 7 times 3x is 21x plus 14 plus 49x plus 49. Okay, and that equals, well, 14x and 9x gives me total of 23x. 6 and a 14. 6 and a 14 gives me plus 20. On the denominator, I have 49 x's. Then I have 21 x's, total of 70 x's. Okay, and then I have 14 and 49. That gives a total of 63 plus 63. Okay, and this is my final answer. There's nothing to factor out in the numerator to cancel out, nothing to factor out in the denominator. Okay, email me if you have any questions. Thanks.